Let me wish you happy and prosperous New Year, my dear friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Srinivas SR Chaganti. In this session, we are going to learn the concept of area of triangles in coordinate geometry. The area of triangle joining the points x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is given by 1 by 2 modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Find the area of triangle joining the points A 2, 3, B 3, minus 2 and C 5, minus 4. 1 by 2 modulus 2 into y2 minus y3 minus 2 minus of minus 4 plus 3 into minus 4 minus 3 plus 5 into 3 minus of minus 2. When we simplify this one, we'll get area of triangle is equal to 4 square units. 1 by 2 into 8, that is equal to 4 square units. Area of triangle joining the points x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is given by 1 by 2 modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. We have already discussed that 3 points are collinear in a triangle if the sum of two sides is equal to the third side. But there is another concept by which we can prove that 3 points are collinear. 3 points are collinear if the area of triangle formed by joining the points is 0. Check whether the following points A 2 1, 2 4, B 4 6 and C 6 8 are collinear. So therefore, if the area of triangle formed by joining these 3 points is equal to 0, then the given points are collinear. So what is the formula we have discussed? Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, where x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to 4 and y2 is equal to 6, x3 is equal to 6 and y3 is equal to 8. When we substitute all these points in the given formula, we will get 0, as the given points are collinear. When we substitute all these points in the given formula, we will get the area of triangle is equal to 0. Therefore, the given points are said to be collinear. So what is the concept that we have to keep in mind here? If the area of triangle formed by joining these 3 points is equal to 0, then the given points are said to be collinear. We have substituted all the given points in the area of triangle. We are getting the value 0. Therefore, the given points are collinear. The given points are collinear. Work out one more example. Check whether the following points are collinear or not. 2, 0, on to the next 1, problem. 2 and minus 1, what is the 6. Value of k for which the given points are collinear? Or find the value of k if the points 7, 2, 5, 1 and 3, k are collinear. According to the given problem, A x1 y1 is equal to 7 2, B x2 y2 is equal to 5 1 and C x3 y3 is equal to 3, k. Since the given points are already collinear, area of triangle formed by joining these 3 points is equal to 0. That means we have to substitute the given points in the formula ABC and make it equal to 0. So 1 by 2 modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Therefore 1 by 2 into 7 into 1 minus k plus 5 into k minus 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Once we simplify this one, we will get k is equal to 0. So therefore, what is the value for which the given points are collinear? Value of k for which the given points are collinear? 0. So therefore, what is the concept that we have used here? The given points are said to be collinear if the area of triangle formed by joining these given points is equal to 0. Since the given points are already collinear, we are finding the area of triangle and make it equal to 0, and similarly, and in the same way we are finding the value of k. The value of k is equal to here 0. Let's move on to the next question. Find the area of quadrilateral. The vertices are A minus 5, 7, B minus 4, minus 5, C minus 1, minus 6 and D 4, 5. Here A, B, C, D forms a quadrilateral. When we join the points A and D, it is a diagonal which divides the given quadrilateral into two triangles. Therefore, area of quadrilateral is given by sum of the areas of two triangles called ABD plus BCD. Therefore, area of triangle ABD is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 minus 5 into y2 minus y3 minus 5 minus 5 plus x2 into minus 4 into y3 minus y1 5 minus 7 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 7 minus of minus 5. Therefore, when we simplify this one, we will get area of triangle ABD is equal to 53 square units. Similarly, area of triangle BCD is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 minus 4 into y2 minus y3 minus 6 minus 5 plus x2 minus 1 into y3 minus y1 5 minus of minus 5 5 plus 5 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 4 into minus 5 minus of minus 6. Therefore, when we simplify this one, we will get 1 by 2 into 38, that is equal to 19 square units. Therefore, area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Therefore, what did you get the area of triangle ABD here? 53 square units. Area of triangle BCD is equal to 19 square units. Therefore, the area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to 72 square units. So, how did we get this result? Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Therefore, the sum of the areas of two triangles is equal to area of the given quadrilateral. So, what is the formula that we have used here? As usual, 1 by 2 modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This gives you the result for the formation of the area of quadrilateral. So, area of quadrilateral is equal to sum of the areas of two triangles, that is equal to triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD, that is equal to 53 plus 19 is equal to 72 square units.